In this tutorial you will learn how to add new product. To add new product. Step 1. Click on Products link on the seller portal. Step 2. Click on Add Product. Step 3. Click on Add New Product. Step 4. Select the main category. Step 5. Select the subcategory 1. Step 6. Select the subcategory 2. Step 7. Enter the HSN SAC code if applicable. Step 8. Enter the product name, title. Step 9. Select the product brand. Step 10. Select the product color. Step 11. Enter the length, breadth and height of the final pack product's shipment. Step 12. Enter the product's shipment weight. Step 13. Enter the multiple search keywords. Multiple search keywords will help in finding the right products for customers. Step 14. Enter the maximum price of the product. Step 15. Enter the selling price of the product. Step 16. Select the Enable option to display the product in your shop's offer page. Or select the Disable option if don't wish to display. Step 17. Select the Enable option to provide product exchange option to customer. Or select Disable option if you don't wish to provide exchange option to customer. Step 18. Select the customer payment mode. Step 19. Enter the shipping price discount if you wish to provide. Step 20. Click on Settlement Calculation button to preview the customer bill and settlement calculation. Step 21. Click on Save and Continue button. Image uploading. You need to upload minimum 1 image and maximum up to provided. Step 22. Click on Upload Ready Image button to upload images. Step 23. Click on Choose File button. Then select the product image in the source folder. Step 24. You can delete uploaded image by clicking Delete button. Step 25. Click on Product Details button to make sure the details entered are correct, or you can re-edit the details if needed, and click on Save button. Step 26. Click on Description Details. Here, product description details must be added for better understanding of the product. For example, consider the uploading product. We want to add the material and its name. So enter the word material in the product feature in the text box provided. Then enter the material name, cotton, in the feature description text box provided. Step 26. Click on Add button. Continue the process to add all products feature name and its feature description for better understanding of your uploading product details. Step 27. Click on Multiple Stock button to enter the multiple stock if the product has different sizes or variant. Step 28. Enter the measurement details. Step 31. Click on View, Add Filter button. Step 32. Select the applicable filter in the text box provided. Step 33. Click on Add button. Select all the filters which are applicable to your product. If the filter is not applicable to your product, then you can leave unselected, or click Delete button. Click on Remove All Images button to delete all images you have uploaded. Click on Delete this product button to delete the whole product. Step 34. Click on Send button. Verify all the product images and details. Step 35. Click on Send for Verification button. After clicking the Send for Verification button, message will be displayed. After verification of the product, your product will be displayed on your website.